Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, violet color, sky blue color, black color, brown color, green color, pink color, orange color. Let's learn alphabets and numbers. A for art. B for box. C for carrot. D for donut. E for elephant. F for fingers. G for ginger. H for hat. I for ice. I for ice. J for jar. K for king. L for letter. M for music. N for nest. O for ocean. P for pineapple. Q for quotation. R for rocket. S for students. T for teacher. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. Numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.